Let us now study preparation of alcohol from carbonyl compounds. Carbonyl compounds, aldehydes and that of ketones. We have taken a general representation of an aldehyde. So this is R C double bond OH. It undergoes hydrogenation. Hydrogenation is addition of hydrogen. Interchangeably, we can also make use of a term reduction. This takes place in presence of a suitable catalyst. Hence, it is called as catalytic hydrogenation, thus giving us alcohol as our product. You can understand that the carbon-oxygen double bonds open up, adding hydrogen each to carbon and that of oxygen. This is also represented over here as RCH2OH. Similarly, a ketone, which is represented as RC double bond OR dash, undergoes reduction. The reducing agent used over here is sodium borohydride, or we can also make use of lithium aluminium hydride, giving us alcohol as our product. The addition of a hydrogen again takes place across carbon-oxygen double bond, which can be then written as RCHOHR dash. To understand this in much more better way, we have taken an example of a aldehyde and that of a ketone. The example of a aldehyde over here involves 3 number of carbon atom, and this compound is called as propanol. Addition of a hydrogen takes place across carbon-oxygen double bond in presence of palladium as a catalyst, thus giving us propanol as our product, which is also written as propane 1-ol. Likewise, propanone in presence of sodium borohydride or lithium aluminium hydride as its catalyst gives you propan 2-ol. Look at it. The addition takes place across this carbon-oxygen double bond, hydrogen, hydrogen here, thus giving us CH3, CHOH, CH3. Now, in this particular case, what we understand that a aldehyde gives us primary alcohol as our product and a ketone gives us secondary alcohol as our product. Similarly, we can go for a preparation of a alcohol by carrying out reduction or addition of a hydrogen of two carboxylic acid and esters. This is a representation of a carboxylic acid, RCOOH. We carry out the reduction by making use of a reducing agent like lithium aluminium hydride, and further by carrying out hydrolysis, we obtain RCH2OH as your product. Now, here in this particular case, if you look at this particular method, we have to make use of a reducing agent like lithium aluminium hydride, which is a costly reducing agent. Commercially, when alcohols are prepared from carboxylic acid, we do not go to make use of lithium aluminium hydride. Rather, we go to make use of these steps. A carboxylic acid is changed into ester, is converted to ester by reaction with alcohol in presence of acid. Now, when your carboxylic acid reacts with alcohol in presence of an acid, it gives us a ester. This ester further undergoes reduction in presence of a catalyst to give us 2 different moles of alcohol depending upon what is R and that of R dash. So here we obtain 2 moles of alcohol, which may be same or they may be different. To understand this, let's take an example. We have propanoic acid which reacts with methanol in presence of an acid to give us methyl propanoate. This is the ester which is obtained, which further undergoes reduction in presence of a catalyst to give us CH3, CH2, CH2OH, CH3, CH2, CH2OH and CH3OH. So addition of a hydrogen has taken place across the double bond. So thus you obtain propanol and methanol as your product here. So in case of obtaining alcohol from carboxylic acid, usually we go to make use of the conversion of carboxylic acid to ester, and ester further undergoes reduction to obtain alcohol.